On a daily basis on the live streams, I keep getting asked, Mike, how does Take Profit Traders drawdown work? In today's video, we're going to answer that question. And in the end, you want to make sure you stay tuned to the end because I'm going to show you a very simple trick to make sure you never make a mistake when tracking your trailing drawdown. Now, before we go ahead and get started in today's video, I want to remind you guys right now, Take Profit Traders having 30% sale off all their valuation accounts, and best yet, no activation fee. Use the link in the description box down below. It'll bring you to a page like this. Left click where it says code epitome. The promo code will be copied to your clipboard and be ready to use at checkout. Now, with Take Profit Trader, we have three main account types. We have the test account. We have the Pro and the Pro Plus account. Now in the Pro and Pro Plus account, these are the accounts that if you meet a certain threshold, you can start to receive payouts from Take Profit Trader. But first, let's look at the drawdown types. We look at the test phase right here. We can see it has end of the day drawdown. I got to be honest with you, that is the best drawdown type to have. However, when you go into the Pro and Pro Plus account, we have what's called an intraday trailing drawdown. Now, the amount of drawdown that you actually have is going to vary depending on which account type you pick. I personally like to trade the 150K accounts, which I have 3 Pro accounts right now with Take Profit Trader, and that gives me a $4,500 drawdown. However, the 50K account is probably the most popular size out there, and with a 50K account, you get $2,000 of drawdown. You have a profit target of $3,000. Now I want to show you guys the most recent example I have of passing a 150K account. We can see that I traded it for 7 days. We only have to trade for 5 days. It took me 2 additional days to pass. I had a profit target of $9,307.50. The target I had to make was $9,000. And remember, in the evaluation phase, they have a 50% consistency rule. So in the 150K account, if I have a price target of $9,000, then I don't want any one day to be over $4,500. In the 50K account, the profit target is $3,000. So don't let any one day be greater than $1,500. Now, if we scroll down just a little bit more, we can see I started this on June 2nd. I completed this evaluation on June 10th. And I want to pay attention to this graph right here. The blue line is going to represent what the drawdown is at. Now, starting off on day number 1, since I have a $4,500 drawdown with a 150K account, you can see that's exactly where the balance is. So in the test phase, anytime throughout the day, it's very simple. Do not let my account balance drop below $145,500. Otherwise, I'm going to get liquidated. And if I want to continue to trade, I either have to buy a new account or I'll have to reset the account. Now, after day 1, we can see I was able to bring the account from $150,000 to $152,035. So now I have $2,035 of profit. And if we look, the drawdown also moved up by $2,035. However, if we look over here on day number 3, we can see that the drawdown goes to $150,000. And that is because I've made at least $4,500 of drawdown. So with Take Profit Trader, the end of the day trailing drawdown will continue to move up until it has trailed to $150,000. Now, if you're trading the 50K account, then once the drawdown ratcheted up to $50,000 because it would start out at $48,000, how do we know that? Because it says right here, $2,000 of drawdown. So if they say the account is 50K, your drawdown initially would be $48,000. And then once you've made $2,000 of profit, then the drawdown would stop once it hit $50,000. Now with Take Profit Trader, this is what I like. This is why I think Take Profit Trader has some of the most easy evaluations to pass. We can see that after this point, the drawdown stays the same. So now on day number 4, at the close of that day, $156,687.50 in the account. So when I start that day off, I have $6,000. I have $6,687.50 of drawdown. So if we compare that to, I started out with $4,500. As I progress and get closer towards that ultimate goal of $9,000, I end up getting more and more drawdown. Now with Apex, since they have an intraday trailing drawdown, it trails you all the way up. With Apex with a 150K account, the best drawdown I'm ever going to have is going to be $5,000. Now I do have accounts with Apex as well. When we scroll back down here real quick, what about the drawdown in the Pro and Pro Plus account? This is what trips up a lot of traders. We can see right down here, it says drawdown type is going to be intraday. Now, Take Profit Trader is very good. They'll send you an email telling you, hey, don't forget in the pro account, there is an intraday trailing drawdown. And we can see right here, here's how they explain it. Once in a pro account, the trailing drawdown is calculated intraday based on your peak balance, which includes realized and unrealized gains. The drawdown will follow your account intraday as you experience gains, but will not exceed the starting balance. So that might be a little bit complicated. So let's come right over here to NinjaTrader, and I want to show you guys how this would actually work out. Now with NinjaTrader, we have a feature called playback, and this allows us to trade on historical data and really sharpen our skill set as a trader. Now for this example, I'm just going to buy a contract. I'm going to move a target. I'm going to move my stop way down here. I'm going to move my target way on up here. I'm just going to get the target way out of the way. And I want to show you guys something real quick. If I go ahead and hit play, I'm going to speed this up a little bit, and just so we can get through this data. Now we can see that, let's say for instance, I'm up $775 in this simulated trade. If the market were to come back down there and stop me out for break even, say I had my stop loss right here at break even, I would actually lose $775 of drawdown with the intraday drawdown. What happens is your drawdown for the 150K account is always going to be $4,500 below your peak balance. Well, since I'm in the first trade and I've now had a peak balance greater, $775 greater than where I started out, then my drawdown has already started to ratchet up. Now, the way around that is looking for quick little base hits. So in this example, I'm just going to fast forward this real quick and let this play out real quick. And hopefully it doesn't take my target. All right. And see if the market will ultimately end up coming right back down. And let's see how this is going to play out. Now we can see right here. All right, boom, ends up coming back down. And now we look at the profit and you're like, okay, I made $0. I lost $0, so I didn't lose any drawdown, right? That would be absolutely incorrect. If we look at where we entered the market right here, we draw a line and we measure all the way up here to the peak high, we can see that we were up 119 points. If I put that on currency, I was actually up $2,385. So as the trade came back down, I actually would have lost $2,385 of drawdown. Now you might say, Mike, this seems extremely complicated to go ahead and keep track of. And I would agree with you. That would be absolutely right. However, there is an easier way than trying to calculate this trade by trade. And that would be to make sure you have your Tradevate account opened up. You can see right here, distance to drawdown. Right now, I have my full drawdown amount. Now, I'm only up about $509 in this account. Why is that? Well, because of the intraday trailing drawdown, one of the things that I like to do to be able to defeat that intraday drawdown is 2 steps. The first one would be, instead of trading the NQ, I would actually trade the micro. So I could trade the MNQ or the MES. Number 2, I do not allow the market to swing this far in my favor. Instead, once the market starts getting a straight line up, then what I'll do is I'll start ratcheting the stop loss right behind price. And then once we start to get a little bit of a pullback, bing, I will end up getting dinged out of that trade. Now, if you guys join me on the live stream, you'll see me do this on a daily basis where I start trailing that stop loss very aggressive. If you don't want to miss the next time I go live, make sure you subscribe. You have the bell notifications turned on for all. That's also where I give away free prop firm trading accounts like Take Profit Trader. Now, if you'd like to learn how to set up Tradevate in order to be able to monitor your drawdown like this, so you can simply have Tradevate up and see exactly how much drawdown you have left, then make sure to watch this next video right here.